Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss about stereochemistry of elimination reaction. Stereochemistry of elimination reaction. Okay, let us see the stereochemistry of dehydration reaction. Generally, if you take meso compounds, right, and dehydration gives transalkenes, optically active isomers gives what? Cis alkenes. Okay, if you take meso, we'll get trans. If you take optically active, we'll get cis alkenes, right? Now this can be understood by taking Fischer projection into Newman projection. Okay, how to convert Fischer projection to Newman projection, right? Now let me take this part and this part over there. Now see here in the above carbon, right, whatever we have, since the A group is like upward direction, right, let us take it down over there, A, and the remaining both are same over there. B and C will be same from here. Okay, only A has been changed, but here everything will be changed. Z is down, right? We have to take Z upward direction, and Y is right side. That's what Y is left here, and Z is something like this over here. This is how we have to convert it into Sahars to Newman. What do we have? We have Z, Y, X. Here what do we have on the right side? We have C, B and A. This is how we have to convert from Fischer to Newman projection over there. Now let us see here how we have to write. What I mentioned over there, meso compounds gives what? Transalkenes, right? Let us see. It's a dehalogenation reaction. In dehalogenation reaction, what will get? CH3, CH. What will get? We'll get transalkene, right? H and CH3. Meso gives what? This is meso compound. We'll get transalkene, right? Now let us see here how to convert this one into Sahars and Newman, right? In the first carbon, where do we have the methyl group? It's upward direction, right? Let us take it down, and remaining all the groups are same over there. Br right side and hydrogen right. Here, since CH3 is right side, and the everything will be opposite over here. CH3 becomes upward direction over there, and Br and CH3. If you convert this one into Sahar structure, right, how it is going to be? It is going to be something like this: CH3, Br, CH3 and Br, hydrogen and CH3. Since what we call both the BRs are opposite to one another, right, in Newman projection, that's what we'll get what? Trans product over there. Okay, let us take here also. What do we have? We have optically active isomer, right? Optically active isomers gives what? Cis alkenes, right? Let me take the cis alkenes over there. CH3, C double bond C, CH3, H and H. How this one also will be taken here? Let me convert this one into what is the Sahars projection over there? CH3, Br, hydrogen, and here CH3, H, Br. Take it into Newman projection over here. What do we have? CH3, Br, hydrogen. Here what do we have? Br, hydrogen and CH3. Where we have both the bromines over there on the same side, right? That's what we are getting, cis product. Okay, the same thing what we applied, I have applied over here also, right? Let me take the dehydrohalogenation reaction. Dehydrohalogenation reaction. 1 minute. I have written here dehydration, right? It's not dehydration, it is dehalogenation reaction. Dehalogenation reaction. Okay, yeah. Meso compounds gives cis alkenes, and optically active isomers gives transalkene, right? Let me take an example based on that you can understand here. Okay, let me take an example over here. Okay, what is this one? Wait, this is the meso one, right? This is meso compound, and dehalohydrogenation, what we'll get? the presence of alcoholic NaOH or KOH, what we'll get? We'll get cis alkenes, right? Okay, how this one takes place, let us see here. Let us convert this one into Newman projection over here. Newman projection over here. The first carbon, since what is this pH group, phenyl group is upward direction, right? Let us take it down, and remaining will be the same side. And here everything is opposite. Down will become up, right become left, left become right here. Okay, this is how it is. Okay, just convert the same structure into Newman one. Okay, what do we have here? Here we have pH, Cl, H, and what do we have here? Here Cl. 1 minute. Here it is H, right? H. Here also it is H, Cl, and pH. It's a dehydrohalogenation reaction, right? One halogen and one hydrogen will be removed from the same side. That's what we'll get, what? Cis product. Okay, this is how the stereochemistry of the elimination reaction takes place, right? If you take a optically active compound, right, what we'll get? We'll get trans product here. Same reagent, alcoholic KOH or NaOH, alcoholic NaOH. What we'll get? With meso compounds we are getting what? Cis products, right? With optically active compounds we'll get, what we'll get? We'll get trans product here. Okay, let me elaborate a bit here. What is this? Let me convert this one into Sahar's projection over here. What do we have in the first case? pH comes down and everything will be remain same over there. In the next, for this carbon, everything becomes opposite, right? Everything becomes opposite. pH comes up, hydrogen left, chlorine right, right? Let me convert it into Newman projection. What is this? pH, hydrogen, chlorine. And here, what do we have? Chlorine is right side, hydrogen left side, and pH is downside, right? Now, how both the hydrogen and halides are there? Both are opposite to one another, right? That's what we are getting, what? Trans product. Trans product, okay? This is what the stereochemistry of elimination reaction. One thing we have to remember is that we should know how to convert the Fischer to Newman, what is this, Sahars to Newman. Based on that, we can understand this particular concept very easily. Thank you for watching.